So students, now we are studying our topic of simultaneous equations. In that first point I have taught you. Now here you have to solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method. To solve the simultaneous equation by graphical method means you have to find the values of x coordinate and y coordinate by using the graph. Now what are the steps here? You have to find at least 4 ordered pairs for the given equation. Means we have to find value of x and y. Then you have to draw x-axis, y-axis on the graph and plot the points. You have to see that all the points are in line. Your point should be in straight line. Then coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines in the solution of the solution of the given equation. Means once when you draw the graph, you are getting like this point of intersection of two lines, and then that is your answer, that is x coordinate and y coordinate. Now here activity is given to you in your textbook on page 8. What is that activity? Equation is given, x minus y is equal to 1. You have to fill this box. X is 0, you have to find out y. Y is 0, you have to find out x. Then x is given, find y. Here y is given, find x. Second equation is also given. I will first show you how to find out values for this x and y. So let us write first equation. X minus y is equal to 1. So first what is x? X is 0. So how will find out y? X minus y is equal to 1. Substitute 0 minus y is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1. Therefore y should never be negative. So take negative sign to right side. You will get y is equal to minus 1. So see here, when x is 0, y is minus 1. And your x and y coordinates are 0 and minus 1. Second equation, y is given 0. Y is equal to 0. So x minus y is equal to 1. X minus 0 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. So when y is 0, x is 1. So first you are writing here x coordinate and then y coordinate. Now third, x is 3. X is equal to 3. So x minus y is equal to 3. Substitute 3. 3 minus y is equal to 1. Minus y is equal to 1 minus 3. Minus y is equal to, now 1 minus 3 is minus 2. And when you take this negative sign to right side, negative, it will become positive. So y is 2. When x is 3, y is 2. X coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 2. Now last, y is minus 3. So let us see, y is equal to minus 3. So x minus y is equal to 1. X minus y is minus 3. So right here minus 3 is equal to, you have to write in bracket. When negative sign is given for the value, you should always write it in bracket. So minus you will get plus is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Take 3 to right side, minus 1. X is equal to minus 2. So when y is minus 3, x is minus 2. So let us write here minus 2 and minus 3. Similarly, you have to do for this equation. 5x minus y is 3y is equal to 1. So first x is given to you 2. Let us find out y. I will show you one example. Afterwards you do all on your own. So second equation, 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Therefore what is value of x given to you? 2. X is equal to 2. So in place of x you are going to substitute 2. Minus 3y is equal to 1. 5 2s are 10, minus 3y is equal to 1. Minus 3y is equal to 1 minus 10. Therefore minus 3y is equal to 1 minus 10 will be minus 9. Y is equal to minus 9 upon minus 3. So y is equal to 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. And minus will change to plus. So how much you are getting? Y is equal to 3. See here, y is equal to 3. Similarly, you take all these values, substitute in the equation. You will get these answers. Write the coordinates of x and y. Here also we have written coordinates of x and y. Now using these values we are going to solve the graph. So let us see our graph. First step is what? You have to draw x-axis, y-axis. Then substitute the values, write down scale. Now what is scale here? On here see, this is 10 lines are there. So it is 1 centimeter. So on both the axis, what is your graph's unit? 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both axes. You have to compulsory write this scale. Without scale your graph will not be accepted. Graph ला तुम्हाला scale लिहावीच लागणार आहे. So write this. Then whatever points you have got here. Now see first equation. here in first equation, what are your points? 0 and -1. So x coordinate is 0, y coordinate is -1. So this point will come here. X 0 and y -1. So it will come on this point. I have plotted here a graph. See here, 0 and -1. Because x is 0 and y is -1. Then next is x is 1 and y is 0. So x is 1, y is 0. X is 3, y is 2. X 3, x axis वरचा 3, y axis वरचा 2. हा पॉईंट झाला. नंतर x axis -2, y axis -3. See here, x axis -2, y axis -3. And when I have drawn this line, now 4 points I have plotted here. I have drawn the line, I have got straight line. Write here name of the equation, x minus y is equal to 1. Second equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 1. Its values are x is 2 and y is 3. So this is x is 2, y is 3. The point is coming here. Next, x is 5, y is 8. The point is coming here. See here, x axis 5, y axis 8. Then x is -1. Now where is x is -1? Here. X is -1 and y is -2. So y coordinate is here. Point will come here. Last, x is -4 and y is -7. So x axis 4, y axis -7. Point is coming here, -4, -7. Again you have to draw the line through this. You will get your answer. See, this is two lines are intersecting here. So what's the answer? The coordinates of point of intersection are -1 and -2. See, x axis -1, y axis -2. This is the point of intersection. So finally your answer is x is equal to -1, y is equal to -2 is the solution of equation. म्हणजे आपण सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन ज्या पद्धतीने सोडवत होतो, इक्वेट करायचं किंवा सबस्टिट्यूशन मेथड, instead of that, by drawing y means first you are finding out 4 values. This we have found out here by this method. Using x value, one value is given, you are finding other. In this way, by finding the ordered pairs, you have to plot that ordered pairs on the graph paper of both the equations, and wherever you get the point of intersection, that is your solution of the equation, means it is the value of x and y. So this is first sum or first activity from this method. Now we will see second sum.